Hi, welcome to my channel RX Sam 2020. My name is Sam and I am pharmacist. Today we see mostly useful information of drug Vinorelbine. It is used in treatment of cancer. About Vinorelbine. Vinorelbine is a chemotherapy medication used to treat a number of types of cancer. This includes breast cancer and non-small cell lung cancer. It is a cytostatic antineoplastic drug. It is semi-synthetic member of the vinca alkaloid family. In most European countries, Vinorelbine is approved to treat non-small cell lung cancer and breast cancer. In the United States, it is approved only for non-small cell lung cancer. Indications: non-small lung cancer and advanced breast cancer. About cancer. Cancer is a group of diseases involving abnormal cell growth with the potential to invade or spread to other parts of the body. These contrast with benign tumors which do not spread. Possible signs and symptoms include a lump, abnormal bleeding, prolonged cough, unexplained weight loss, and a change in bowel movement. While these symptoms may indicate cancer, they can also have other causes. Over 100 types of cancer affect humans. Tobacco use is a cause of about 25% of cancer death. Another 10% are due to obesity, poor diet, lack of physical activity, or excessive drinking of alcohol. Let us see what is chemotherapy medication. Chemotherapy medication is a type of cancer treatment that use one or more anti-cancer drugs. Antineoplastic drugs are a medication used to treat cancer. Antineoplastic drugs are also called anti-cancer drugs. Vinca alkaloids. Vinca alkaloids are a set of antimitotic and antimicrotubule alkaloid agents originally derived from the periwinkle plant Catharanthus roseus and other vinca plant. Non-small cell lung cancer, also known as lung carcinoma, is a malignant lung tumor characterized by uncontrolled cell growth in tissue of the lung. Breast cancer is a cancer that develops from breast tissue. Signs of breast cancer may include a lump in the breast, a change in breast shape, dimpling of the skin, fluid coming from the nipple, a newly inverted nipple, or a red or scaly patch of skin. Contraindication: hypersensitivity, neutrophil count less than 1000 cell per mm cube, severe hepatic insufficiency, pregnancy and lactation. Special precaution: injection must be administered by the intravenous route. Intrathecal administration of other vinca alkaloid has resulted in death. Temozolomide causing tissue necrosis. Dosage: it is given by injection into a vein or by mouth. An oral formulation has been marketed and registered in most European countries. It has similar efficacy as the intravenous formulation, but it avoids venous toxicities of an infusion and is easier to take. The oral form is not approved in the United States or Australia. Single agent treatment is usually given at 25 to 30 mg per meter square weekly. In combination chemotherapy, the dose may be the same and frequency of administration reduced that is day 1 and 8 or 1 and 5 every 3 weeks. Side effect. Common side effects include bone marrow suppression, pain at the site of injection, vomiting, feeling tired, numbness and diarrhea. Other serious side effects include shortness of breath. Some brand names: Nevelbind, Oncobind. Thanks for watching my videos. Hope you like it. Please share to your friend. Hit the bell icon button and subscribe my channel for my new upcoming videos. Thank you.